Manipur police arrested 10 persons, including 2 women, involved in the brutal assault of 2 persons, leading to death of 1. On May 14 last, unknown miscreants abducted 2 persons of Kaibung Mathak Thobal from somewhere at Lilong. One among the 2 succumbed to his injuries, while the other one is undergoing treatment at Raj Medcity. As per police sources, the arrested persons were Salman Khurshid, aged 29 years, son of Mohammad Salahuddin of Lilong Turel Ahanbi Boroi Makhong, Mohammad Manzoor, 39 years, son of Mohammad Samiruddin of Lilong Harebi Makhalekai, Hawaibam Chester, another name Chalamba, aged 29 years, son of late H. Yeskul of Tingri Awang Laikai, Sanam Amsung, Sanam Amsung, 28 years, son of Sanam Budhachandra Singh of Sagolban Tera Lukram Lerak, Oinam Leonando Meitei, aged 25 years, son of late O Thoiba Singh of Singjume Chingamakha, Mohammad Mazibur, aged 19, son of Mohammad Habibur of Mayang Imphal Kongchak Awang Boya Mayum Elangbam Govind Singh, aged 33 years, son of E. Madhu Singh of Sagolban Kamnam Lerak, Yankubam Rajia, 22 years, daughter of Mohammad Apik of Sora Mamang Laikai, Mohammad Azam Khan, aged 32 years, son of Mohammad Haya of Fundre Maning Laikai, and Sylvia, aged 19 years, daughter of Fararukin of Lilong Awang Laikai. Meanwhile, a meeting held at Kaibung Community Hall yesterday had formed a JC against the brutal killing of Mohammad Zahir Khan, another name Atomba, of Kaibung, and demanded arrest of the culprits within 48 hours. Meanwhile, Chief Judicial Magistrate Thobal has remanded the arrested persons in police custody for 7 days.